somewhere between dreaming and drifting. I forgot who I was becoming. But today, I draw the line. 40 days to return, to rebuild, to create. Welcome to the Art of Surrender. I'm on summer break from art school. You think that means I'm making more than ever, but lately I've been doing the opposite. Scrolling, comparing, starting and stopping a dozen things. And with my real exhibition coming up in February, I know I can't keep going like this. I've got 6 big pieces to make, one shot to show the work that could define the start of my career. So I've set a challenge, 40 days, not just to create, but to surrender, to break the habits that numb me, to rebuild the rhythms that make me whole. Each day I'll show up, with discipline, with honesty, and with faith. And every week I bring you with me. This isn't about chasing perfection, it's about obedience. I want to create from a deeper place. I want my art to be more than output. I want it to mean something. This is my start, and if you ever feel stuck too, maybe it's yours. This was day 1 of the Art of Surrender. Every week I'll post a new episode right here, sharing the process, the struggle, and the beauty of becoming. If you want to follow the full journey, subscribe here on YouTube. And if you want the raw, behind-the-scenes stuff, the messy moments, quick updates, late-night sketches, I share all of them on Instagram daily. This is the start. I hope it inspires you to begin again too.